Sick and tired of your boring old life?
Who said that?
Are you always bored?
I'm gonna call the police.
Well, I can solve that problem now. Well, I can solve that. Ah!
Who are you? Why am I outside?
Hey, I'm gonna show you how to live outside in nature. What are you doing?
I hate nature. Get out of here, chicken.
What the I'm about to change your life from a boring one to a better one. Come on, let's go.
This is not better. This is worse. I hate nature. Oh, shit.
That's why I'm gonna show you how to like nature. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna teach you how to like nature. Whoa, look what we found here. Looks like an ordinary stick, right? Well,
Yeah.
guess what? It's not. Look, you see those chickens right there?
Yeah.
Now you don't have to worry about looking for food. It's all around us. Nature. Come on, let's go. Well, we missed. But you can't have food if you don't have a place to eat. That's why I'm gonna teach you how to build a fort. Come on, let's go. All right, let's go. Now, this might look like a bundle of sticks to you. But to me, it's a house. Come on, let's start building. If we put this up against this wall, you've just built a house. Yeah, this will protect you from the rain. Are you thirsty, but your watering hole is solid, frozen, and stagnant? Well, now, all you have to do is get the ice out of it. And then you have clean water. Because ice is clean. Here, you do it. Oh, you broke it, Anthony? All right, once you've gotten your fresh water out from the watering hole, now you can start drinking it.
How?
If you look very closely, you will see the fresh water supply on the water. I'm not feeling that. I don't want to touch that. I'm gonna get AIDS or something. Ew. So start licking. Now you have to lick it.
I'm not liking it. Huh?
Yeah. Hold on.
Ashy dip.
All right, now that you've gotten your house and your water hole clean, we're gonna show you how to make a 5-star meal. Come on, let's go. Just insert your dominance in this vast, dangerous region of the world, otherwise known as the outside. You're going to have to compete with the dominant males in this brutal game called nature. So come on, let's go. The rooster, otherwise known as the most dangerous creature on the planet. The rooster is very dangerous. It has talons that can cut someone easily. This one has been known for many battles. Yeah. All right. So in order for you To survive in this world, you need to compete with him. You have to scare him away
How?
and prove that you are the king of this jungle. Go get him. Get him, get him. Oh shit! Yeah. My chicken. So throw some feed at him. That's the chicken that I like. How are you gonna lure him away?
Hey, chicken!
Here he goes. Dun 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 dun.
Yeah!
Now that you rule the jungle out here, how do you feel?
Shit.
Is your life more exciting now?
Kind of.
Now you own all of these wonderful chickens. Alright guys, it's been a couple months now. Let's go see how good Anthony's been doing with his new, better life. Let's go. Now, you like the new outside life?
Yes.
Are you improved? Look, your hair looks very nice. I like the little sticks and branches in there, dude. That looks nice. Good job. Alright, I'm gonna go inside now. Bye.